Welcome back to my channel, guys. On this channel we cover news from around the world that I find either strange, funny or just simply interesting. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Now let's get into it. 2 coronavirus cases confirmed in UK. 2 people from the same family have tested positive for coronavirus in the UK, the Chief Medical Officer for England has announced. They are being treated at a specialist centre in Newcastle after being taken there overnight. At least 213 people in China have died from the virus, mostly in Hubei, with almost 10,000 cases nationally. There have been 98 cases of the virus in another 18 countries. Professor Chris Whitty, Chief Medical Officer for England, said, "The NHS is extremely well prepared and used to managing infections, and we are already working rapidly to identify any contacts the patients had to prevent further spread. We have been preparing for UK cases of novel coronavirus, and we have robust infection control measures in place to respond immediately," he added. Prof Whitty said the UK was working closely with the World Health Organization and the international community as the outbreak in China develops to ensure we are ready for all eventualities. The World Health Organization declared the outbreak a global emergency yesterday. The number of coronavirus cases worldwide has now surpassed that of the SARS epidemic, which spread to more than 24 countries in 2003. At present, 83 Britons and 27 foreign nationals are flying back to the UK from Wuhan, the Chinese city at the center of the outbreak. The flight is due to land at RAF Bryce Norton at 1:30 p.m. The UK passengers will be taken to Arrow Grove Hospital on the Wirral and quarantined for 2 weeks. The 2 confirmed cases are not in the Wirral area, the Department of Health has said. This is not a surprise and is a moment the country has been preparing for. The response will be now twofold. The first is to treat the patients while preventing any spread of the virus. This is something specialist centres in the NHS have plenty experience of, including when caring for patients that caught Ebola during the outbreak in West Africa 2014. The second is a massive feat of detective work to find out who these patients may have passed the virus on to. Last night, doctors in Germany confirmed cases there had spread before people even developed symptoms. Effective contact tracing is how the virus can be contained. There is still much we can do to know about these cases, but the situation in the UK is completely different to China, where there are nearly 10,000 cases and the authorities are still trying to get on top of the outbreak. And that's the update on the coronavirus case, guys. It has now reached the UK soil. I'd like to know all your thoughts on this, and I'll try to get back to all comments in the comment section below. Until next time.